Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you import the My Travel Tracker presets into Lightroom. So first of all you will need to download Lightroom, which is free, and the Unzip app for iPhone only. And after that I will ask you to go into your email that you received after the purchase, the one that says thank you for shopping with us, and here you will have a download button. Please click on the download button, and for iPhone users please click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, open in browser, either Safari or Chrome, and download. And on the right top you see that it is downloading. Well, it has been downloaded. For iPhone users, open the Unzip app and click on the plus button. Click on Files, Icon Drive. Click on the My Travel Tracker 5 zip. And then press on the My Travel Tracker Pro preset. Unzip, OK. Now it has extracted. You click on it again because there's two files inside of the zip. And you only have to unzip again the mobile presets. So click on it again. Okay, now it's extracting the DNG files, which are the presets. And here, please click on the information button and you can click on Send Open In. With Android, you can select all of them together. But with iPhone, you have to do it one by one. And Send Open in Lightroom. Got it? Oh, sorry. Send Open in Lightroom and launch Lightroom now. Now you will see on the left top corner that the first filter has been added. So this one is called Amsterdam. Now this image has settings in the image. So you would have to click on presets and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Create preset. You will name this one Amsterdam. And preset group, so you can create a new one, name it however you like. We can call this one MTT presets. Save. And there you have your first preset. Now you have to repeat this with every single DNG in the unzip file. And click on the second one. Share. In Lightroom, launch Lightroom now. One photo successfully added. I have to go back into your pictures. Click on the second one. Go on presets. Click on the three dots on the right top corner. Create preset. Called Essence. Preset group. MTT presets. And you can edit. And that's it. You have to repeat this with all 11 presets for iPhone, and Android you can do the same process, but you can select all of them together, which is a little bit easier. And here I can show you how it will actually work. So I will select a picture that doesn't have any filters on it. So for example, this one. And then I go into presets, MTT presets, and here it will automatically get you the new filters. And that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at info@mytraveltrackerapp.com. We will be happy to help you. Thank you very much.